Jay, thanks. Well, the Arts Festival, one of the many great events going on in our area.
And we leave you now with some fun and some nutty reasons we love to say this is home. Have a good night. Great weekend, everybody. See you.
Pedal, pedal.
Yeah, it's going down. We're about to live it up, y'all. Let's go.
It's a big world, and now we're loving this town. It's our turn. Put your hands up, we on the big screen, and everybody's here living out our dreams.
Fudgesicles.
Dreams.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Don't be scared, take a chance. Come on, give me a hand.